For everyone using Chrome browser, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, here is an important setting you need to turn off right now to stop automatically download any files or data from any website using Chrome browser. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Chrome browser. Go ahead and click on these three dots from the top. Proceed to settings. Scroll down right here until you get to site settings. Then go ahead and scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to automatic downloads right here. Go ahead and click on that. What you want to do is simply switch to this. And you are done. Then you can go back. And with that, you have disallowed auto download any files in your Chrome browser. Whatever website you visit, there won't be automatically download except you initiate download of any file in your Chrome browser. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.